In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Ikemen window title from its generic default title to a custom title of your own. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, we're just going to open our Ikemen. Then what you want to do is actually open your save folder. So look for this folder called save. Then find the configuration file. Once you open the configuration file, just scroll down a little bit until you reach the line that is having a word called window title. So you can actually just search for the word window title. It makes it easier. So in my case, I've set mine to Ultimate MK Project. Let me show you a demo just to see how it works in real time. So if I open my Ikemen game, you will notice that the window has the title Ultimate MK Project. So if I were to change the name of the title to something else, this title should also change. So let's call it maybe Test Project. Remember to save. So now if I open my Ikemen again, as you can see now the window says Test Project. So it's pretty much simple as that. Nothing too complicated. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and also share the video. And if you want to get more knowledge in these Mugen and Ikemen engines, consider following me on Patreon. Become a patron, and you might get a lot of information that is going to benefit you in your gaming time with Mugen and Ikemen as well. So I appreciate you all. Be sure to check the links in the description for more of my content.